Okay. So now, when you're rotating something, so you guys got one part of it down that you're turning something. Now, what else might be important when you turn something? When you turn something, what might be important? The way you turn it, and what could determine how it's turned? The way you do it. Okay. We have
How do you think it's so perfect? Yeah.
practice.
Practice makes perfect. No, it's never perfect.
Okay, so
Nothing's perfect. Except for me.
when we have a tire, if you guys think about your bike tires or car tires or anything that's round that rotates,
I have a bike.
does it make sense if the middle was right there?
No.
Like, would this be a smooth ride
No.
if it's
I'd
rotating?
be like, boing. I've never the lopsided volleyball where they have like that thing.
Okay. So,
I think my computer just turned off. Did it just die?
so
I got you there.
something about there. So the center point is one of the most important things about a rotation, right?
Yeah.
Because if a tire is not the middle of the tire where it connects to everything else is not the exact center, then it's going to be lopsided. It's not going to be the same all the way around. Okay? So that's the same thing with rotations. So rotations are spinning or turning clockwise or counterclockwise, but it always has to be around some sort of point, the center point. Okay? And they might use part of the shape to do that, or they might say it's a point. And when we're using XY axis, coordinate grid. So that's something you need to remember. Okay? And we'll write these down in notes in sometime this week, so you guys kind of have a better idea. Okay, and then the translation. Let's see. When it stays the same, translation when you move the object side to side, it's a slide. Translation is when you slide something anywhere, up, down, left, right, etc. Translation is the same as moving it a certain direction. Okay? So, good. That's also good. Right? We're all talking about moving it, sliding it in a direction. Now, in these ones it might not matter, but when we're using coordinate grids, the distance matters. Okay? So, we got to remember translations have to do with sliding in a certain direction and a specific distance. So it's those two things. Okay. So, since we did all that, we should be able to match these. Translation is what? What's the translation?